Do it again?
1.
Then what?
Mm.
Count to 5. Can you count to 5?
Baby.
I know, it's Carson.
Bye.
Who's in there? Don't turn it off. 1,
1,
2,
3,
4, 5. Say 5. Hey, why won't you count for Mama when we're on here? 1,
1,
2,
3,
3, 4.
bus,
Yeah. 4.
Bus.
Carson.
bus,
4.
bus.
You want to hold the bus while you count? Okay, 4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7. Carson, say 7. 7.
no.
Why not?
Right.
Who's in there?
Baby.
Do you like the baby?
Done.
You want to be all done. Where's your owie, Carson? Yeah. Are we going to go see the doctor? Your ear hurts?
Done.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Can you count, please?
1, 3, baby.
No, count for real. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like you do all day long. Not going to do it?
Mama.
What?
Mama.
Say night-nights.
And then,
You can't see the baby. Say night-night, baby.
night, baby.
Okay.